jour, nous devons prendre conscience, en âme et de cause, ce qui cause la guerre. Bien souvent, c'est un problème de frontières, et on ne peut pas se laisser envahir par justement une oppression. On a déjà beaucoup de mal à ne pas subir d'oppression à l'intérieur d'un pays. On ne peut pas, au jour d'aujourd'hui, comprendre ou laisser des problèmes de guerre. Et on ne doit pas être en guerre car justement les expansions de chacun et la possibilité de l'évolution et de l'élévation de chaque pays pour chacun ou pour chacun dans chaque pays peut se réaliser. Il faut en toute et bonne cause que chaque pays qui puisse dire à d'autres pays ce qu'ils peuvent se faire pour eux. Maintenant, et qu'on le sache dans les chaînes d'information. Maintenant, il faut que comprendre que si je peux rien pour mon pays, je peux pour un autre pays. Et j'aimerais bien aussi, en tant qu'Américain et Français, revendiquer le fait que je peux me sentir, et aussi par rapport à l'Afrique, me sentir profondément concerné par certains problèmes. Quand on est concerné par certains problèmes de plusieurs origines, dans plusieurs pays, on peut comprendre qu'à un moment donné, si on a la capacité de pouvoir aider, on doit permettre à la personne de pouvoir aider. Au jour d'aujourd'hui, en tant qu'Américain, when I say in America, I'm so great for the end, because at this time, for the long time, and so long far away, I know what the American can. And for one, I can say, if I French and respect and love Africa and I'm American, is maybe I can and must can do for another country or continent or my state, because I more interest for my born, my life, my patriot life, and my patriot can do. I must make a solution if I have a solution for grow and expansive, and some more solution at my all. And at my all, I must can make for another country or continent if I have a solution. If you don't have a solution, if you don't can, is very damage because I have a solution, and you know that. And I can say the all American have and can make a full solution. I want America can make for the full country and continent, because we have the full solution, we have the full expensive, we have the full capacity or at what you can. And maybe for this world in the world, you can say what you can do. Because we know the fool was that. I'm sure for this day, it's a more and more mystery sign. Because, hey, my God, say, the full last day. And make a new chance for this world. Don't close again, don't close your hope, but if you take your hope, if you take a spirit, if you take your earth, you can say what you can do, and you must can do it. because the opportunity in history never become again. Now is possible for all for this world and for full subject or sector. And is the interest of everyone on America and in the world. For the market, school, medical, for all what you can expensive. It's a can, why can? It's not possible. At this time, it's possible. It's so more important for interest in everyone, in America, in all this world, for make do that. Because the God can do and can make a can after the end. Give a fool. And maybe if you don't understand or make the war or think what the bad or make a damage or don't conviction for the change, you don't can change. But you know what you can do. And you know what you can make. And you know what you... Hey, sorry, man. Okay, go in. Go in your make. What you can do is so more important. Why don't build? If you can build a beautiful world. Hey man, come on. Get your opportunity. It's so more important for the all. For what I say, for what I do, for what I will be. And for me and everyone in the world. Because you can living a beautiful, wonder life. And for this, maybe you have just shoes on that. Hey man, take these shoes and choose well. It's a time. It's a just time. And if you don't make or you don't interest, you don't know what the future. If you believe, don't you believe on the for you? Make sure another man can for you what you don't can. Maybe probably it's a beautiful hand. Maybe probably just future become again and begin the new life, new chance, new equality, new fraternity for the new world and your luck. Take this time, please. Take.